What's your name?
Cody Lee Jolly.
There was no counsel appointed.
How did that happen?
I was represent myself.
You're going to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what do you want to do today?
Is this pre-trial then?
This is one of those courtroom moments where you don't know whether to laugh or facepalm. Cody J.W. strolls in with full confidence, proudly announcing he'll represent himself. But within minutes, it's obvious he's in way over his head. It's like watching someone volunteer to fly a plane just because they once watched a YouTube video about it. All swagger, zero training, and a crash landing waiting to happen.
This is a probable cause conference.
Probably.
That concerns me if you don't know that and they're going to represent
Yeah,
yourself.
I'm going to plead not guilty in this case.
Okay, you already entered a plea. What are you going to do at the hearing?
The hearing today?
Yes.
I'm just going to plead not guilty.
Okay, that's you've done that.
Right.
So what do you want to do with this case?
I mean, it's up to you. I'm not understanding.
No, you're not. It's not up to me.
Pleading not
Tell me
guilty.
what you want to do.
Pre-trial.
Pardon?
My hope was to take it to pre-trial.
Well, the next stage will be a preliminary examination. Is that what you want?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
The preliminary hearing?
Yeah.
It's another case similar to this, and then there's other options. If I'm seeking discovery, or if I'm seeking.
You can feel the judge's patience wearing thin. Cody keeps repeating that he'll plead not guilty, completely missing that this isn't even the stage for it. What's tragic is he genuinely believes he's running the show. But courtrooms don't reward confidence, they reward competence. And in a criminal case, that kind of ignorance doesn't just embarrass you, it can cost you your freedom.
I'm seeing that
Oh,
for trial. Right.
Is there a reason you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes,
Because I see this thing getting south real fast.
I've represented myself before, and I prefer it.
Have you requested discovery?
I have not.
Why not? You're here at probable cause conference. Why haven't you requested discovery?
For me, there was no issue. There was no conflict. There's no case. There's no case whatsoever.
You requested discovery. You know what discovery is?
Can I request?
Do you know what discovery is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
All the evidence in the case.
Okay, have you requested that from the people?
I have not.
Then how do you know there's nothing there? You're going to have to do it in your own way to request it. I mean, I can't help you through this process.
Would you like it by mail?
Represent yourself.
I'd like to represent myself.
Then you're going to have to request discovery.
Do you want me to request discovery?
I don't care what you do. I'm just telling you, if you're going to represent yourself, you're going to need to request discovery. You haven't even requested discovery.
I currently am right now. If you'd rather me do it by mail, I can do it by mail.
Well, there's a way in which you do it.
You got to file it to the circuit, to the circuit court, to the prosecutor, and also to the.
No,
yes.
That is not how it happens.
The turning point hits when the judge brings up discovery, the evidence against him. Cody confidently says, "There's no case." That's not boldness. That's pure delusion. You can see it on the judge's face. That quiet realization that this man isn't prepared for what's coming. He's about to walk straight into a legal minefield, completely blind.
Your Honor, and just for the record, so that defendant is aware, he is charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. That is a high court misdemeanor, punishable by up to 2 years and/or $500.
You understand that, sir, right? Yeah, let's not set it for freedom. Do you know how to, you don't even know how to go about getting the discovery on this case. Do you want to talk to somebody about how to try to get your discovery on it?
I can honestly do it myself. If you'd like me to discover, I can file for discovery.
You don't even know how to do you know what you do to get discovery?
Before, usually when I file by mail or in front of the judge, or I request it.
Okay, I'm trying to offer you somebody to talk to so they can show you how to get your discovery. Would you like to do that?
Then comes the bombshell. 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. You'd expect anyone to freeze at those words, but Cody just says, "Yeah, I do." Like he's confirming a dinner reservation. The courtroom goes still. It's not arrogance, it's detachment. He doesn't grasp that this isn't a traffic case. It's a life-altering charge, the kind that can define everything that comes after.
How do you intend on getting your discovery? Because you file a motion and you haven't requested it as a prosecutor. I'm not granting. You're going to be wasting everybody's time.
Okay, so if you don't accept it by mail or in front of you, in what way would you prefer me to file? Every judge is different, so
No, every judge in this county isn't different. Welcome to Washington.
I'm in Washington.
Would you like somebody to help you at least tell you how to get discovery in this
If
case?
someone wants to tell me, that'd be great, but I still prefer to represent myself.
I don't care if you represent yourself.
What's wrong?
I'm asking you because you have no discovery. You're gonna walk into a preliminary
Yes,
examination
if you,
and it's going to be a problem.
right, if you prefer it to be,
I don't
Motion
care.
be filed
I'm not,
differently
it's
than
not an
myself
issue
also.
of my preference. I'm trying to get somebody to help you before you become an absolute disaster regarding this case. So I will make the offer again. Would you like to talk to somebody about how to get your discovery?
I would love to talk to him anyway.
Mr. Gaddy, will you please speak with this gentleman about how to get his discovery? I would appreciate it.
When the judge says, "Every judge isn't different. Welcome to Washington," you can feel the exhaustion in her voice. It's not sarcasm. It's a warning wrapped in patience. She's trying to hand Cody a lifeline, a chance to realize the gravity of his situation. But he keeps pushing it away, lost in the illusion that confidence equals control. It's a slow-motion train wreck, self-destruction disguised as defiance.
Oh, okay. Because it's not going to come back up here before me not to adjourn this matter to March 1st, 2023, for 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a question for you, and I have a tether that's on that I can't afford. Is there any way that was just because of stipulations of ROR? I'm wondering if it's
To
possible.
remove the tether?
Not a flight risk or anything. I'm just living in town.
Denied.
And just when you think it's over, he asks to remove his ankle monitor, right after being told he's facing sex crime charges. The disconnect is unreal, almost cinematic. The courtroom goes still for a second, and the judge just says one word. Denied. No speech, no argument, just finality. That moment says it all. Confidence without knowledge isn't power. In a courtroom, it's self-destruction dressed as bravery.